Example 1 says aisle 6 of a furniture store stocks 4-legged chairs, 4-legged tables, and 3-legged stools. If there are T tables, C chairs, and S stools, write an expression that shows the number or the total number of furniture legs in aisle 6. With some grammatical errors, that should be a period. So I'm just going to write it like this. If C is chair, I'm going to do this. Chair equals C. And they have 4 legs, right? So each chair has 4 legs. You can also write this as 4C. The tables, each table, which is T, also has 4 legs. 4 legs, so that's 4T. And then the stools, which is S, they only have 3 legs. So that's 3S. So if we want to figure out how many there are altogether, we just have to add up those 4. So 4C plus 4T plus 4S. 3S. Now, another way you can write this is because we have a 4 with the C and a 4 with the T, you can take that 4 and put it on the outside. And then in parentheses, you can write C plus T. And then on the outside, we still have plus 3S. And why we can do that is we're technically factoring out that 4. And so we're factoring out on the outside. Now it's here. Because if we were to multiply it back through, 4 times C is 4C. 4 times T is 4T. And then we still have 3S on the outside. So what I'm saying is this equation here works and this equation here works. They're both correct. You can write it several different ways. So that's example number 1. Let's move down to example number 2. Denise and Stacy went to a carnival. The admission fee was $5 a person. Each ride at the carnival cost C dollars. The game booth charged G dollars for each game. Both Denise and Stacy went on 8 rides each. So each of them went on 8 rides. Stacy played 4 games while Denise played 2 games. Write an expression that represents the total amount of money that Denise and Stacy spent at the carnival. Well, that's a really long problem, so let's break it up nice and slow. So first let's look at the rides. It says each ride at the carnival was C dollars. Okay, so ride equals C. And let's see. Both Denise and Stacy went on 8 rides each. So Denise went on 8 rides. And Stacy went on 8 rides. So if they both went on 8 rides, they went on 16 rides in total. And to find out the cost, we have to multiply 16 times C. So that's it for our rides. Let's go down to our games. So it says the game booths charged G dollars for each game. Okay, so games equal G. And let's see, Stacy played 4 games. So I'm going to write Stacy played 4. And Denise played 2 games. So Denise played 2. But then you have to remember that there was an admission fee for $5 a person. So just to get in, let's call it admission. And it doesn't matter like how many times you went in and out of the carnival. Just to like get in and be in there for the day was $5. So Stacy paid $5 and Denise paid $5 for a total of $10. And sorry, up here we forgot games, for a total of 6 games, which is 6G. So if we want to figure out how much they paid all together, we're going to have to add 16C, 6G, and then $10. So 16C plus 6G plus 10. And that's our expression. So once we know how many rides they rode and how many games they played, we can find out exactly how much money they spent at the carnival.